Vinod Negi, I don't know why he's standing in this position. And Prashant, tell us about last night. What was the sleeping experience in this place?
It was awesome. सबने अच्छे से सोने दिया. Enjoyed.
What was happening till 10:30 outside in the passage? Just experience for the people who are going to come to stay.
थोड़े लोग आए थे बाजू में रात को चेकआउट करने के लिए, so they disturbed our sleep.
That's it.
Indirectly, but yeah, we were getting.
So actually सोने गए थे 10 बजे. विनोद तो बेहोश हो गया था. हम लोग सब भी 8 and 9 के आसपास we were lying down. And some people came back from Kedarnath Darshan and they were going to check out. But for the past 2 hours, that is till 10:30, they were just screaming and making noise outside the door. So please, if you ever come back and you're checking out, just think about it that maybe there are other people who are sleeping और उनको सुबह 3 बजे उठ के जाना है. So please selfish मत हो and वो हिसाब से सोचो कि लोग सो रहे. That's it. And if you talk about now, it's so silent that you can literally sleep now. But we don't want to sleep now. We have to go now. It's 4 o'clock. So then I'm come out over here to the passage, okay, to show you the scene on the road. This is the road. It is pretty empty, but where are the people? So this is the line for registration. Okay, now you have a huge line from here till there. तो पूरा यहाँ से वहाँ तक बड़ा सा लाइन है रजिस्ट्रेशन का. एंड इट इज़ 4:30 right now. So the thing is, you have to do your registration. We had done our registration online, and when we reached that yesterday at around 5 in the afternoon, we showed our registration here. They scanned the barcode so that they have the details that we are already present here. So you register online. There are different ways to register. Just go to the site. I don't know, I typed on Google Kedarnath registration. You will get the government site. Will tell you the various ways to register. You can register on the website. You can register on WhatsApp and follow the steps. Then you will get like a PDF with all your details and a barcode. When you come here, you have to scan your barcode to show your attendance. After that, you can go further. तो अभी हम लोग सब रेडी हो रहे हैं. उसके बाद हम लोग यहाँ से निकलेंगे. कैब लेंगे जो 5 बजे का है. 50 rupees per person cab to go from Sonprayag to Gaurikund. So फिलहाल वो करेंगे. Okay, so it's I think past 5:30 right now, and the line is still huge. The registration counter and right till there and beyond. All set to start walking. सबने डंडी वंडी लिया, so you get dandis over here for 50 rupees. Usually you get dandi for 50 rupees, right?
Yes.
But he gave for
30 rupees.
He gave for 30 rupees, but we have to return this dandi to him. So there is a dandi which you can take for 50 and there is a dandi which you can return and for 30 rupees. And we left Sonprayag and heading towards the taxi stand so that we can go to Gaurikund and start our trek from there. The dandi guy actually told us that it takes 12 hours to reach up one way. So I'm not sure because last time I went to Hemkund Sahib and for 10 kilometers it took us 8 hours. So this is also 12 kilometers, 12. Only thing it's October, so it's colder. And then I went to Hemkund till June. So yeah, let's see how long it's going to take, and we are going to track our hours. So this यहाँ पे ये कच्चर लोग हैं which you can hire, but I would suggest don't do that because animals, they cannot speak, so they cannot tell you how painful it is for them. If you want to sit behind men, who take on their back and go, because that is their choice. They want to take you on their back. So आप आदमी की पीठ पे बैठ के जाओ, but please ये लोगों को मत लेना. It's not safe also and it's not nice also. और हमारा प्लान है कि हम लोग एक्चुअली 8 घंटे में ऊपर जाने की कोशिश करें. पर this is break number 1. We have not even started our trek yet. We are at Son Prayag. So, and then this is a huge line for the cabs from Son Prayag to Gaurikund. But it's a very fast moving line. Or bhai, how is the Josh?
Hi, always.
So that is the spot for the vehicles. There are plenty of vehicles which are coming. So it's 50 rupee per person. And I don't know if you all can see, but we are cramped up in this cab. We are like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 people in one jeep.
अभी यहाँ से बना गौरीकुंड का है।
ये हम लोग गौरीकुंड अभी तक पहुँचे भी नहीं। तो jeep has stopped us over here and it's a long way to go here. ये बनाना कैसा? ओए बनाना का तो पूछ प्राइस पता तो चले।
प्रयाग में 70 में लिया था, सोन प्रयाग में आके रेट पूछा 80 रुपीज़ और यहाँ पे ऊपर गौरीकुंड में 100 रुपीज़।
100 rupees dozen. So yeah, that is लोगों का मजबूरी का फ़ायदा उठाना।
फायदा एक्चुअली यहाँ तक आने में भी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट है, काफ़ी महंगा है ये पहाड़ों पे, तो उनका नीचे से लेके आते हैं, उनका खर्चा और मेहनत जिनको है चाहिए तो वो नीचे से ला सकते हैं।
Okay, so now that is गौरीकुंड ऊपर है ना?
This bridge,
But that's गौरीकुंड ना ऊपर?
I know.
That village is गौरीकुंड।
भाई गौरीकुंड ऊपर है। वो चीज। हाँ। ऊपर।
ऊपर टैक्सी नहीं जाती?
गाड़ी वाले लोग यहीं छोड़ते हैं क्या? बोला करना।
नहीं। You wanna go? ये गौरीकुंड एंड ये है मंदिर यहाँ का। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट टेम्पल ऑफ गौरीकुंड, गौरी माता का मंदिर। और यहाँ पे गरम कुंड था विच जो अभी बह चुका है बिकॉज रिसेंटली यहाँ पे क्लाउड बर्स्ट हुआ था, सो ऑल ऑफ दिस पूरा बह गया था, सो दे आर रीडूइंग दिस। ढोली का प्राइस आई डोंट नो, आई डेंट फाइंड आउट, देयर इज अ ट्रैफिक जैम ओवर हियर, सो वी आर नॉट एबल टू टाइम आवरसेल्फ येट बिकॉज आई कैन सी some kind of a traffic jam. You get oxygen cylinder here if you want small ones. I don't know for how much because I'm not going to stop and ask. There is too much of traffic. There is beauty on this side and there is traffic on this side. This is Gaurikund. You can come here and stay as well. I am not sure about the rates. I heard that it is more expensive. It's the 14th of October 2024 and this is the crowd over here right now. Excuse me.
हाँ भाई जी चलो रुको मत।
ये स्पॉट है जहाँ पे सब घोड़े मिलते हैं। आफ्टर दिस देयर इज घोड़े के लिए डिफरेंट लाइन एंड इंसानों के लिए डिफरेंट लाइन आफ्टर दिस स्पॉट। चलो दिस इज द start of the trek and this is our guard dog Bhutu Baba, and from here starts the trek which is I assume, which I read is of 12 kilometers. दो किलोमीटर चल के कैसा लग रहा है? 2 किलोमीटर चल के
खराब हो गया है।
घोड़ा करना है?
सो रहा हूँ घोड़ा कर लूँ।
एक काम कर सकते घोड़ा ले हम लोग को सामने लेके निकल जाते
नहीं नहीं नहीं, घोड़ा मत ले प्लीज़, इंसान के पीछे बैठ।
और वो रास्ते में परेशान दिखेगा परेशान को ले लेगा।
और लोग नींबू पानी के लिए रुके हैं ज़रा। I can see the snow-capped mountains over there, and that's where we have to go. But the path is pretty messy and dirty. There's all horse shit mixed with water all around here. So you please wear waterproof shoes is what I would suggest. I'm wearing my Decathlon snowshoes here, and it's very useful. Good investment. Can use it in snow, can use it here, can use it anywhere, wherever it's cold. This is how they carry people, and I don't know, they charge around 6,000 to 8,000, and for the horse it's like 2,500. यहाँ पे स्वास्तिक ने अपना पर्सनल पालकी कर चुका है। सर आपने कितना दिया बैग लेने के लिए?
रिटर्न किया उससे मैंने 500 रुपये में।
ओके, 500 रुपया में आप ऐसे आदमी लोग को बैग उठाने के लिए भी ले सकते हो।
हाँ,
पहाड़ी लोगों को।
उसका पता नहीं कितना चलेगा।
और भाई बिना बैग का कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है अभी, और 2 किलोमीटर चल लूँगा नॉन स्टॉप।
चलो चलो चलो।
सूरज निकल गया बाबा, दिल्ली का सूरज के पास दिखा।
कितना ब्राइट लग रहा है। सो ये टोटल एक्चुअली 12 किलोमीटर नहीं है, रॉन्ग है जो भी इंटरनेट में बोला गया है। इट इज़ अ टोटल ऑफ आई थिंक सो 22 किलोमीटर। 4 किलोमीटर हो गया, 18 इज़ लेफ्ट, एंड दिस इज़ द पाथ विच रिसेंटली ब्रोक डाउन बिकॉज ऑफ द लैंडस्लाइड। आई थिंक फ्रॉम दैट एंड टू दिस एंड सी was the shortcut, and which broke down now, so they're going to build it, or what, they made a shortcut from here which makes it a little more difficult. So yes, another 18 kilometers for us. So this is where the landslide took place. It's damn scary. You should walk this path fast. Stones can still fall. Vinod, stones can still fall.
वो लोग ऐसे धीरे धीरे करके ऐसे पहाड़ बनाएंगे, धीरे धीरे करके वो जमा करेंगे पत्थर, ताकि ऐसा ऐसा वो बनाएंगे और पीछे से लैंडस्लाइड ना हो। वो बेस बना रहा है, बेस।
बाकी सब YouTube वीडियोस में अगर आप देखोगे, वहाँ पे बताया गया कि 2 अलग रास्ता है फॉर हॉर्सेस एंड इंसान का, बट वो गलत है। देयर इज़ ओनली अ 1 किलोमीटर पाथ जहाँ पे 2 अलग रास्ता है। सो मोस्टली हॉर्सेस, इंसान एंड palki, everything goes on the same path, so you have to basically just keep dodging zigzag and go. And over here on the right there's beautiful scene and beautiful waterfalls here and there. More than insan, there are ghodas over here. 10 kilometers more to go. Half distance done, half left. 10 kilometers to go. This is the government cafeteria, and this is the JMBN stay Bimbali. It's 10 kilometers away from the main temple. बोलते रहो।
नहीं, कुछ नहीं, अभी बहुत थक चुके, अभी कुछ नहीं।
बोलो एक्सपीरियंस, बोलो आपका एक्सपीरियंस बोलो।
कुछ नहीं, बस चलो, चलते रहो।
This is your memory.
ट्रैक खत्म होगा तब बताइए।
This is your memory. अभी उतरने का टाइम आ गया, सो प्रशांत बहुत ही खुश है.
उतरने का एजिन ट्रैक पे ही एक छोटा सा पार्ट है जहाँ नीचे है डिक्लाइन है इंस्टेड ऑफ
एंड कितना पार्ट? 0.5. दैट पार्ट इज 0.5 किलोमीटर. Exactly. Actually now it is 11 degree. It's 11 degree. Do you know it's 11 degree? But it feels like 28 degree.
20.
Yeah, it's 11 degree, but it's feeling like 25 degree because we are walking and climbing and it's getting hot. So much of crowd. And these ghodas are disturbing our path every time. There is a separate part for the ghodas, which is from here. So from here they are not going to disturb us, and humans are going to go from here. Oh. If we reach, darshan kar lo, and then we return back the same day.
Guys, the best advice I
Coming
can
back.
give, stay at Gaurikund, start your trek early. You can freely cover till this area without any
Waste of
disturbances.
time.
Yeah, without any
So
disturbance.
actually we spent quite some time in getting the sharing cabs over there. Huge line. And then some people did cheating and they around 10-15 people came in between and the cop was helpless. So all that keeps happening. So yeah, Gaurikund, but I don't know experience of Gaurikund, how full it is, how free it is, whether you will get booking last minute or no, not sure. But in Sonprayag you will get booking last minute, that much I can tell you. And in Sonprayag prices were like 1,500,
300 se 500.
1,200 till 1,500 for like a 3-bed, 4-bed. Depends on how clean, how nice and how posh the place is. Yeah, even more posher places 2,000 to 1,500 that way. Prashant,
Hi.
bye. Bye. बोल बाय.
धूप में बैठो, धूप लिया करो, विटामिन डी है उसमें.
12 बजे के बाद. That too so close. सुहाना मौसम है, लोग इधर थक के जा रहे ऊपर. आ गया है इंक्लिनेशन जहाँ पे अभी हम लोग रुकेंगे हर 2 मिनट. क्या बोलता है भाई?
क्या? क्यों रुकेंगे? नहीं रुकेंगे, अब सीधा ख़त्म करेंगे ट्रैक और फिर रुकेंगे. ऐसा मैं सिर्फ मजाक कर रहा हूँ, इसका वास्तविक जीवन से कुछ संबंध नहीं. आराम से चलो रे.
और वो रहा आई थिंक वो रहा अपना डेस्टिनेशन. बोलो.
चलो नहाते जाके नहाने का प्लान करते हैं.
वाटरफॉल
पानी काफ़ी ठंडा है, काफ़ी मतलब काफ़ी ठंडा है.
वो सब छोड़, ये जितना खुशी मनाना यहाँ पे मनाओ, क्योंकि उसके बाद
ऐसा ठंडक हो रही है.
till here, from here to here, there are 5, 6, 7, 8 zigzags. So enjoy as much as you want, because after that, you will never be able to. So we have reached this path where the workers are trying to build a bridge. They're trying to throw stones over here, and the horses have joined us again. So there's all muck and all dung together. And then there are houses. We have another 7 kilometers to reach up, and the way is going to be sometimes steep, sometimes normal. I think इधर ही टेंट्स है एक्चुअली. अगर आपको रात को ऊपर टेंट नहीं मिलेगा तो आपको 6 किलोमीटर नीचे टेंट मिल सकता है. हम लोग ने कुछ टेंट बुक नहीं किया अभी तक, तो लेट्स सी टेंट मिला नहीं मिला. I also heard that you can get down the entire night. This is open. There are big huge focus lights there, so whole night this is on and you can get down even in the nights, so there's no issues. And look at the beauty behind, look at the clouds, look at those clouds. अभी स्टेप्स चालू हो गया है यहाँ से. Another 6 kilometers. I don't know अगर ऊपर slope है, but this part is steps and steps are scary. Some people coming down, some people going up. The time is 3. The temperature is 10, but it feels like it's 15. एंड हम लोग ने जैकेट यहाँ पे बांधा है. टेम्परेचर 10 है 10. और कैसा फीलिंग हो रहा है? 15 कि 20
फीलिंग?
टेम्परेचर
कम से कम 20 का.
यहाँ पे 10 लिख रहा है. 10. वाओ. 4 बज चुके हैं एंड मौसम काफ़ी ख़राब हो चुका है. ख़राब एज दे कॉल इट. इन शॉर्ट, all clouds are collecting here. It's getting dense. The entire valley is hidden and I think बारिश आने वाली है. Hailstones, whether it'll fall or not sure, but it's very cold. It's just 4. One problem over here is there are a lot of horses, more than human beings. So every time you have to be careful, otherwise they're going to push you down. 4:15. It's showing 10, but it's still updating. Loading. It says 10 degree. Not sure. The road is pretty bad at various places. So the good road is blocked by horses. And this road is for humans. And the side is beauty. And it's getting denser and denser. And colder. Beautiful, tiring, and the horses are just annoying. See? 4 kilometers more to go.